welcome back everyone. You may be having some issues with your Windows 10 PC. For some reason the Wi-Fi is just not showing. It's not showing any Wi-Fi signals or anything like that. Well, the first thing I would recommend doing is making sure that the PC that you're using, especially if it's a laptop, that you actually do have the Wi-Fi symbol actually enabled. So sometimes there's like a hard button on your laptop. You may have to turn that on. A majority of devices already have this enabled, by default, but just in case it got triggered on, you may want to, turn it on and make sure your signal is being received on that laptop. Now, if that doesn't work, the next thing you can try doing is making your way over to your device manager. So go under Find on your taskbar, click on Device Manager, and then you'll eventually come into your actual device manager. Now, what you want to do is you want to click on Network and Adapters. And when you do that, you want to go ahead and find the first one, which is actually your Wi-Fi adapter. And what you want to do is you want to go ahead and update this specific adapter. So you want to click on it, you want to right click on it, and you want to click on Properties, and you want to click on Driver, and you want to see if there's an update available for that driver. Essentially, you want to just keep clicking on the Update Driver section, and that may actually end up fixing it for you. Majority of the time, I'm going to be honest, from all the comments that I read in a lot of forum posts, it looks like this will actually probably fix it for you. Now, if that doesn't fix it, you can always try going under the other method, which is restarting your PC. So typically what I do is I go ahead and actually just try to just hold down either force restart my device, or I go ahead and actually just, or I just click on the button to restart it. And at that point, what happens is the laptop or PC will restart. And right when it restarts, believe it or not, most of the time, this may actually end up fixing it. Just a simple restart will actually do it. But other times, there can be times where your laptop may need to be updated. So in this case, if you're able to plug in your laptop or PC to a specific So if you're able to connect your laptop or desktop PC to an actual Ethernet port, what I'd recommend doing is plugging in there, seeing if it's able to get signal. If it is, then I'd recommend updating your Windows PC. Majority of the time, if you just update your PC, this may end up fixing it for you. And I've been in so many situations where my PC would not work properly or I was having a ton of issues. And in this specific case, by simply updating the PC, that may end up fixing it for you. So those are just a couple of different ways to fix it. Again, no guarantees. I will make a follow-up video probably if they're still having a lot of issues with this, but this is typically how to fix it for the most part. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.